This is the all-new OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus has been hyping this phone up for the last few weeks, and it's finally here. We'll take a look at the phone itself in a sec, but first let's finish up with the box, where, surprise, you still get a power adapter included, and not just any power adapter, but OnePlus's Warp Charge 65, which combined with the dual-cell battery design on the 9 Pro, can charge the phone from 0 to 100 in just 29 minutes. Now, outside of the power adapter and the cable, you get your typical documentation along with some OnePlus stickers. And then of course you have the phone itself. OnePlus sent it to us in this morning mist color, which has a mirror-like finish at the bottom and gradients up to this frosted silver at the top. There's of course the new camera system this year with the Hasselblad branding. OnePlus is definitely hyping this part of the phone more than anything else. And then finally up front, you have a new LTPO display for improved power efficiency, and the curved edges this year are also less pronounced. Obviously, there's a whole lot more that's new with the phone, so stay tuned.